this lecture we will learn what is the use of inline function in C++. So definition is, inline function are used in a program because they save memory space and reduce the function overhead call. So when it exactly used, when there is a small function in a program, then when it is repetitively calling, we just put inline keyword before the function definition. So it will make a request to the compiler that it will reduce the function overhead call and push and pop operation and other thing. So let's run the program and understand how it will work. So I am creating one variable float a, and now I am creating one function that is name area and passing argument, for example integer argument 10, and now I am creating body of that function. So return statement is float data type and name of function area as a argument integer r. So in this function we will calculate the area of circle. So I am directly return pi means 3.14 into radius r and r square and semicolon. So this is returning float, so I return float, and to make this function inline, just put keyword inline in front of the function. So now when function return the value, I am printing the value. So area of circle is equal to, and printing variable as a. So now run the program. So just compile. So there is just put like this. So compile. So no error. Run the program, and you can see the output time it will take. So output is 314. Thing you keep in mind that it is not necessary that always inline function reduce your execution time. So it depends on some situation. If this inline function is only used with small function, so keep in mind that. So thank you all. This is the about the inline function in C++.